Welcome to the Drug Formulary Database training videos. In this video, we're going to discuss how to manage our PDFs. Once we're in the drug formulary system, if you click on the Manage PDFs button, this will take you to the PDF management screen as well as provide you with several other options. From here, you can edit the front matter, generate PDFs, download any generated PDFs to double check them, and also set the active PDF that the download link is drawing from. Let's start with editing the front matter. If you click on this button, it will bring you to a text editing screen that is fairly similar to most other Word document editors that you will have seen. From here, you can change any of the information. You can also style the information with different alignments, bold, italic, underline, font sizes, etc. One thing to note is that we do have different heading styles set in this text editor. So for instance, our large title up here at the top is a heading 1. Our subtitle here is a heading 2. And these smaller section headings are heading 3. So as you add more sections, you don't have to edit the text directly by font size or by styling, etc. You can simply use these, you can highlight it and use these heading settings, and then you'll make sure that all of your section headings, etc. are consistent. One other thing to know about this text editor is that you can add manual page breaks simply by placing your cursor anywhere in the document and hitting the page break button here. Now when the PDF is generated, there'll be a hard page break inserted at that point as opposed to wherever the text would have broken on its own. To delete a page break, simply place your cursor directly after it and click delete. Other things you can edit in this particular section is the title of the PDF, as well as the metadata associated with that PDF file, such as author, subject, and keywords. Generate PDF will draw the current information from the database and assimilate it into the PDF template with the front matter. It will generate the table of contents and the index and create you a newest PDF version of the information in your database system. As you can see, over here in our PDF manager, we now have a new PDF listed. Our active PDF has been moved down one. You can see it has today's date and time. If we want to double check this PDF and quality control it, you can simply click the Download PDF button next to any PDF. And now you can see this PDF has been downloaded to the system. Once you're certain that the PDF is entirely correct and it's time to push it live so that it is now the current PDF being downloaded by any download links, you can simply toggle which PDF is active here with these little star buttons under the active PDF column. So if we simply click the star next to our newest PDF, our download links will now be drawing from that PDF. That concludes this tour of the PDF Manager.